Alright, that's a crash course on creating a requirements document. You first interview the client and stakeholders, and then create a requirements document. In the requirements document, we aim to establish the objectives, what the app will do, brand position and identity, functional requirements including core features and processes, technical requirements including development considerations and device considerations, risks and assumptions, user research data including user personas, user stories, and use cases, a UX strategy prioritizing and categorizing for the experience and beginning to plan the navigation model, and differentiators. Through understanding the goals and requirements of the project, and with user research that provides insights into the needs of the user, we can begin to consider what the app's differentiators will be. Let's take a look at how that can be done. As a first step, form a picture of the existing market. Competitive research is the process of gathering information on your business's competitive environment. In competitor analysis, we identify the other players in the industry who offer similar services or products and assess their strengths and their weaknesses. Through this research and analysis, you're aiming to define your industry and gain an understanding of your market. To do this, you might begin as simply as running Google searches for companies that offer similar products and then exploring information that's available about those companies. And you may also want to look for services or publications that track demographics, statistics regarding sales, trends, and other consumer information. Once you determine who your competitors are and what they offer, you can leverage services to get to know them. One such service to consider is SimilarWeb.com. Here's SimilarWeb's profile for Facebook Paper. They offer a statistical overview of ranking and ratings, as well as other statistics. And through their Pro service, they offer expanded services including tools for benchmarking, strategizing, and risk reduction. Through analysis of statistics and reports, you might determine the market's success factors, such as the ins and outs of a particular online sales campaign that was run by a successful company. But what we're really looking for here is data on the products, what they are, and how they perform. Once you narrow your research down to determine which are the main competitor products, you can get hands-on and test the products yourself, as well as research and read reviews to learn about user opinions of product performance. Then you can analyze the information that you gather and rate the competitors on their product performance. Through first-hand use and reading about the experience of other users, you can identify desirable and successful features, and also identify the weak features in those products. It's through looking at what's working and what's not, and comparing that to your requirements document and your project goals that you can identify where you can make a difference in the market. And that can include anticipating features that users want which are not offered in any of those products. With all this, we can determine the differentiators by answering some key questions. The central question to ask is, why will my product be better than other options on the market?